Bethany celebrated her 18th birthday with her family. It was a happy time. But becoming a young adult forced a damaging and drastic change to her autism care. It led to being locked up in solitary confinement for 24 hours a day in a windowless room.
Bethany's in a cell. Bethany's locked away, she can't have human contact, and she's not getting any support. Bethany's not in a good place.
So people send things, and I get everything from lovely cards with jokes in.
Following a public outcry after Beth's treatment was exposed, the Department of Health and Social Care ordered an investigation. It highlights systemic failure and makes a list of improvements to force fundamental change to the system. The report recognised a lack of appropriate home-like community provision. It recommends a national policy to ensure that seclusion or segregation is only utilised as a last resort. And it concludes that no children with autism should be admitted to a mental health hospital in the absence of a mental health need. Speaking on the Kay Burley Show, Care Minister Caroline Dinenage offered her apology to Jeremy.
Of course I'm sorry.
Do you accept the Minister's apology, Jeremy?
Not at all, not at all.
Quite tellingly, this report accepts it hasn't made any new findings, as these have previously been identified across many reviews.
When can she expect to be held by her father again?
Well, I mean, we want to get Bethany out as soon as possible, but it would be utterly irresponsible for me to discharge her just because there's huge pressure on me to do so into a setting which is only going to make matters worse for this very vulnerable young lady.
This report into Beth's care coincides with a wider government announcement for plans to improve training for all health and social care workers for autism and learning disabilities. It also says it will review the discharge plan for every one of the 2,000 people with autism and learning disabilities held in a mental health unit. People like Beth, trapped inside a broken system. Ashish Joshi, Sky News.